Hi guys, it's Kiara. It's Thursday, so you know what time it is. Kiara Thursdays. So, as you might know, this week is Dare Week, and all my friends dared me to eat the most disgusting, oddest, weirdest side cup thingy, I don't know what to call it. There is mayonnaise. Ugh. This is the spoon I shall use. Alright, time to be prepared. Okay, I'm scared. This is kind of scary here. Alright, here is the mayonnaise. Alright, make sure there's no juicy thing in there. It won't come down. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna try and eat this. Oh, I can't do this. Here I go. Oh, this is nasty. Honestly, I'm really scared because, like, what if I throw up? If you see me spit this out, I am so sorry. I like it on my sandwiches, not like bear. I'm stalling right now. Let me just... I can't put it in my mouth.
I'm gonna be able to do that.
Like, I'm honestly,
Those
like,
people.
Yasmin or Rebecca or Leilani, whoever chooses this dare, like, you're sick. Ah! Or Janessa, like, come on. Like, don't you guys have love for me? Or Tiara, like, oh my gosh, guys. I can't. Alright, let me take. You know, everything's gonna taste like mayonnaise, I don't know. I wish it tasted like... Okay. I can't. 1, 2. I'm really not liking you guys right now. 3. I can't. Oh! Yeah. Oh my gosh, where's my gum? It's so ratchet. I'm sorry, I cannot complete that. It got right here, and then I have to spit it up. I can still taste it. I swallowed a little bit. Like I swallowed that much. I'm done. Bye.